In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to enter dates in a spreadsheet. So I've opened a file that already has some information in it. And we're going to be adding the dates to these cells. So we're going to click in cell B5. So make sure B5 has the green lines around it selected. And I want you to type 1/4/2017 and hit enter. And it will keep that formatting just like you put it in. So in B6, we're going to type in 1/25/ and then instead of putting 2017 in, we're going to put just 17. And it knows it's the same thing. It formats it in the same way. If you hit enter, you go down to Kim's name. And this time we're going to type in simply 1/23, enter. And instead of formatting it the way B5 and B6 ended up, it's turning it into something a little bit different. It now says 23-January. But if you select that cell and you go up to the formula bar, you're going to see that it says 1/23/2020 because it automatically associates it with the current year. So that's what you're going to see. You are going to see that there is a year associated with it, but the way you typed it in told it to display in this manner. So we're going to click in B7, press F2, I accidentally did volume instead, F2, and it will correct it to display. Nope, it will show you, with F2, it shows you what's in the formula bar. It displays what is in the formula bar. And now you can type, I'm going to take 2020 out and put 2017, hit enter, but it still says 23 January. But if I go back to it in the formula bar, or if I hit F2, I will see what the formula bar displays. All right, let's go down to B8, type 1/28/17. And in B9, we're going to type the month, January 21st, 2017, and press enter. And this is the way it displays. It puts 21-January-17. So in B7, it's similar to B7. B7 leaves the year off. If we type it all the way out, it will have the year on the end. So if you're not consistent on the way you type things into Excel, you may not get consistent results in the cell as the result of what you typed in. All right, so while we're still in B9, we're going to override what it has, and we're going to type 1/1/17. And notice that the value changes, but the formatting remains the same. So whatever you put in before, it's going to stick to that formatting, even if you change the date, because it's assuming that you like the formatting, but you made an error in the date and you changed the date. So let's hit undo, make it say the 21st January 17. So just just take note that there are different date types in Excel. So if you type them in, you need to be consistent on how you type them in and in what result you're going to get. We can go back and we can format them differently. We haven't learned how to do that yet, but it's not an issue. We just need to be consistent. And you need to understand that depending on how you type it, you get a result that reflects that.